Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to stop auto-posting on Facebook from Instagram PC. We start by opening our Instagram profile on the PC. After that, click on More and then on Settings. Here we will click on the sharing option. Finally, we will deactivate the Share Story to Facebook option. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.